Apply 2 coats of white resin opaco. It should be diluted correctly. You should allow 4 to 5 hours to dry between each application. Resin opaco is anti-fungicide. It absorbs slowly, and this makes it very easy to apply the Velatura. Apply the Velatura with a paintbrush or with a woolen glove. Straight away, spread the Velatura evenly on the wall with a woolen glove and circular directions. Follow the same procedure for the entire surface. Velatura is ready to use. It should not be diluted